Hey friends, if you wish to record screen on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So while I personally use third-party software products like OBS and you can consider them as well, the official method is through the sniping tool. So search for sniping tool and open it. You'll find this record button here. You can click on this and select record. Select the section that you wish to record and click on start. Click on yes and it will start recording in 3 seconds. You can change this timer later. And when you wish to do away with the recording, simply click on stop recording. Okay, and this will be saved in the screen recordings tab in the video section on your file explorer. Now, an easier method is to simply press Windows plus Shift plus R, and this is the shortcut to start the recording. It's going to do the same thing. Okay, just wait and I'll show you. So this is how we can record it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.